என்னை பெற்ற அன்னைக்கும் நான் கற்ற தமிழ் அன்னைக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். I am Arulmani from Salem. In this video, I want to emphasize the need to ban some practices which are responsible to make the Indian stock market as gambling. At present, many practices permitted in the Indian share market make the market as a gambling. So it is our urgent duty to bring out some reforms in the Indian share market in order to eradicate those practices which are responsible to make the market as a gambling. Generally, the main objective of our share market system is to get the investment needed to start and to improve the companies. But some practices permitted in the share market totally damage the above said objective by assuring the fact that the share market is not a place for investment. If our share market is a place for investment, there must be a situation in which the investors must be permitted to buy the shares only by paying the full money. But in a system named futures and options, it is permitted to buy shares with a part payment and then a grace period is given to pay the remaining payment. Because of these practices, some persons with overconfidence and false belief buy some shares beyond the limit of their capacity, and then sometimes they are forced to face unbearable losses. As these people are permitted to do trading in the share market, the stability of the market is getting damaged. Thus, these practices prevailing in the Indian share market make the market as a place for gambling and not as a place for investment. So, this kind of practices must be banned and a new system must be introduced so that to permit the investors to buy the shares only for the amount of money which is available in their account. That is, the investors must not be permitted to buy the shares above the value of money which is available in their account. Next, if our share market is a place for investment, there must be a situation in which the shareholders alone must be permitted to sell the shares. But at present, those who do not hold any shares are also permitted to sell the shares. That is, during intraday trading, the traders are permitted to buy the shares after selling them. In such a situation, how our share market can act as a place for investment? So, the present practice which is permitting the traders to sell the shares before buying them must be banned, and a new system must be introduced so that the traders are permitted to sell the shares only after buying them. Next, if our share market is considered to be a place for investment, the investors after buying the shares must be permitted to sell them only after some period of time. But at present, the investors are permitted to sell the shares at the next second after buying them. Generally, an investment can be considered as an investment only when it is useful to its company, at least for a short period of time. But if an investment is redeemed even before a short term, it cannot be considered as an investment. So, we must introduce a new system so that the investors must be permitted to sell the shares only after 90 days from the day of buying. Unless this kind of reforms are brought out in the Indian stock market, we cannot strengthen the economy of India in the next generation. Thank you.